this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 620 Cole Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the Haight-Ashbury neighborhood near the Golden Gate Park. In fact, right next to the Golden Gate Park. Super close and convenient. Lots of food and drink and shopping and vintage items all around, and just a few blocks from Cole Valley, highly desirable Cole Valley. Okay, let's take a look. This is actually located on the second floor. This is unit number, well, it says 20, but it's actually the full address, 620 Cole Street. Here we are, we're entering in. You're gonna see a very long hallway. I think this is about 36 feet long, really fantastic. Really bright front-facing living room. This actually could be used as a bedroom. If you used it as a bedroom, you're going to notice it has a bedroom in the back, which is a great split floor plan, perfect for roommates or anybody that just wants some separation. Okay, that is looking out onto Cole Street and Haight. And let's take a look here. Beautiful hardwood floors. You're going to notice that there is a picture rail all the way around this room and also all the way down the hallway. And it also has track lighting, so it would be absolutely perfect for showcasing a lot of art. Local art, your art, bought art, whatever. Okay, clawfoot tub with a shower combination. And just keep in mind, tenants just moved out this morning, so I haven't had it painted or cleaned yet, but they were here for several years. They loved it so much, I think about 8 years or so. Okay, this one has a plate rail. This is another living room. Could be a formal dining room. Could be living, as I said. And this is a full kitchen, gas range, oven, shelving, and fridge, medium-sized refrigerator, single sink, and a window. Very nice. Okay, and all the windows in this apartment, by the way, are double pane and newer style, so it actually is quite quiet, especially for being in the Haight. By the way, this just goes down to a back stairwell, which goes down to the backyard, which we'll take a look at in just one moment. Not only the backyard, but it also goes down to trash, recycling, compost, and the laundry room. The laundry room is shared, but you will have a specific day to use it. It is coin operated. There is a bike room on the first floor as well. Okay, this is the back bedroom. By the way, I do have dimensions on the website of each of these rooms, and this particular room does include a double closet. Okay. All right. Lots of lights, and we're looking down. This is the backyard, very beautiful, fairly private. No other apartments really looking in on you. There's that backyard right there. And let's just take a look through this window. Once again, newer style windows, double hung. Beautiful hardwood floors. And beautiful built-ins. Long hallway. I think this is 36 feet long. And going towards the front. And one more look in this front. Beautiful room. Okay, let's take a look at the backyard. We're going to hop down these steps right here. And just let you know that the laundry room is to the right. And it's right down here. Once again, you will have a specific day that you can do your laundry, so you'll have it all to yourself. And also there is an open day. I believe it's Saturdays are the open day, but also you'll have a dedicated day of the week. Okay, let's take a look at the backyard. There's the trash recycling. Little oasis back here, little oasis right here in the backyard. And here's the back of the building. Gorgeous day. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to meeting you at the home tour.